Hello children, welcome back to our part 2 video of today's assignment, that is on English literature of chapter number 2, that is the hidden sun. So children, I hope you all have watched my part 1 video of today's assignment, in which I have explained you that how you will write question answers, and I have explained you each and every question answers. Okay, so I hope you all have understood all the 4 question answers very carefully, and you have written it in your notebooks also. And those who have not, please after watching this video also start writing with your assignments in your notebooks, and make sure that you complete it by today itself. So children, as you all know, our first video, part 1 video, was on question answers, and I told you before also that in the last when we end the chapter, what we do, the last exercise we do is of make sentences. Okay, so children, I will what are make sentences, you all know, you have done in chapter 1 also, that I give some words from your chapter, whichever your chapter is there. So I give you some words and you have to make sentences from those words. Okay, your sentence should carry that particular word, okay, to make and the sentence should be very clear, and it should be meaningful. So children, I want to tell you one more thing. Here I will explain you the make sentences. So the sentences which I have written, if you want to change these sentences, if you want to write sentences on your own of these words, then you can also write on your own. Okay, you can write your own sentences also, but make sure that your sentence should be correct. The word which is given should be there in your sentence, and your sentence should be proper and should have a proper meaning. Okay, आपके सेंटेंस में एक प्रॉपर मीनिंग भी होना चाहिए, और उसमें वो वर्ड ज़रूर आना चाहिए जो मैं आपको दूंगी. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप मेरे ही वाले सेंटेंसेस अपनी नोटबुक्स में लिखो. So let's get started with our today's video, children, part 2 video. For that, again you have to take out your English literature notebook and turn to new page where you have completed your question answers. Children, you will leave that page. We will not start any exercise from that page. We will always start a new exercise from a new page. Okay, so in the first line, what you will do, you will write down part D, make sentences. Okay, and there are 5 words which I have given, and from those 5 words you have to make the sentences. Okay, you have to make sentences from those 5 words. Now the first word is roared, R-O-A-R-E-D, roared, and the meaning for roared was, it was a kind of sound made by a lion. Okay, lion की जो sound होता है, that is known as roared. So the sentence I have made here is, the lion roared very loudly. लायन ने कैसे रोर किया? बहुत तेज आवाज में रोर किया. Okay children, now when you have written this sentence, we have used the word roared in this sentence, and what you will do, wherever your word will be there, you will just underline that particular word. Okay, now coming to the second sentence, refused, R-E-F-U-S-E-D, refused. Now what is the meaning of refused? To deny, साफ किसी बात को मना कर देना. Okay, so in this story of the hidden sun, where we have used the word refused, where we have learnt when the sun refused to come out, when the rooster called it out. जब rooster ने call किया था sun को बाहर आने के लिए, तो सन ने क्या किया था? refused. So there we have learnt the word refused. So the sentence for the word refused is, the girl refused to go to the doctor. Girl ने डॉक्टर के पास जाने के लिए मना कर दिया, refuse कर दिया. So the word will be the word is refused, and you will underline this word refused. Okay, now coming to the third word, that is delighted, D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D, delighted. Now, what is the meaning of delighted, children? Delighted means to be happy, खुश होना. So the sentence here is, my friend was delighted to see the new bicycle. मेरे फ्रेंड को बहुत खुशी हुई जब उसने अपनी नई साइकिल, न्यू बाइसिकल देखी. Okay, so in this sentence we have used the word delighted here. So what we will do, we will underline the word delighted. Okay, now coming to the fourth word, that is darkness. darkness, darkness. Now what is the meaning of darkness? Andhera, where there is no light. Okay, that means there is darkness. So the sentence is, the little boy, turn the page, is afraid of darkness. Most of you, I hope, आप लोगों को बहुत से बच्चे ऐसे होंगे जिनको डार्कनेस से, अंधेरे से डर लगता है. Even I am also afraid of darkness, children. I am so big, but still I am afraid of darkness. Your teacher is very afraid of darkness, you know. अगर मेरे घर में अगर लाइट नहीं जलती, कमरे में लाइट नहीं जलती, तो I don't go there alone. So I am also afraid of darkness. So the sentence here is, the little boy is afraid of darkness. So the word is darkness. So we will underline the word darkness here. Okay. Now coming to the fifth word, that is confusion. CONFUSION, confusion. Now what is the meaning of confusion, children? A state of mind in which you don't know what to do. Okay. When you are confused, when you don't know, when you don't understand what you have to do at this present situation. Okay. As you all know, these days a lot of pandemic situation is going on due to COVID-19, and due to this, children, we all are very panicked, we all are very confused, we don't know what to do exactly, where to go, where not to go. Okay, so we all are confused. So this is the state of mind where we don't know that what we should do or we should not do. So the sentence I have made here is, many children in the class were having confusion about maths exam. बहुत से बच्चों को क्लास में एक कंफ्यूजन था अपने मैथ्स एग्जाम को लेकर. ओके, सो if you want to make any other sentence of these words, children, you can make, but make sure your sentence should be correct with proper meaning. Okay, now in this sentence, confusion word is here, so you will underline this word confusion. Okay, I hope you all have understood, children. Once again, I am going to repeat these 5 words. Make sentences. Listen to it carefully. First word, roared, and the sentence is, the lion roared very loudly. You will underline the word roared. Then number 2, refused. The girl refused to go to the doctor. You will underline the word refused. Then next, third word is delighted. Sentence is, my friend was delighted to see the new bicycle, and you will underline the word delighted. Fourth word is darkness, and the sentence is, the little boy is afraid of darkness. You will underline the word darkness. Last, fifth word is confusion. Many children in the class were having confusion about maths exam. This is the sentence, and you will underline the word confusion. So children, that is all in this exercise. We have finished with our second chapter, that is the hidden sun, and from tomorrow we are going to start in English literature our third chapter, that is Hasmina's Kite. So before starting that chapter, I want you all to complete this chapter in your notebooks very carefully, very neatly and tidily. Okay, and I want all your work to be completed in your notebook so that it will be very easy for you all to learn. So make sure you complete the work by today itself, and from tomorrow we will be starting with a new chapter. So till then, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe. And children, you all know that the situation outside is very pandemic, so try to stay at home. Try to tell your parents, your family members to stay at home. If it is very important, then only go out. Otherwise, please stay at home and make sure whenever your parents or you come from outside, then first of all sanitize yourself properly, wear your mask, and then enter your house. Okay, and when use your surgical mask, children, use double mask, so that when you enter your house, before entering you just throw your surgical mask outside and then enter your house. Okay, these are some important information which I wanted to share with you all, so that you can be alert, you can be safe at your homes, and you can also share these COVID protocols with your near and dear ones. Okay, children, so we have to fight from this pandemic situation, we have to fight from this COVID, so we should follow all these instructions. Okay, so till my next video, bye bye.